Assalamu alaikum. We are in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan, and it's raining. The weather is so beautiful. It's pleasant. It's cool, and I must say, you must visit Islamabad during the rainy season, and you must be careful while driving. So I'm with the CEO of Octane Motors, Mr. Gohar. He is a mechanic, he is an automotive engineer, he is a mechanical engineer. So I would like to ask a question. Mr. Gohar, would you like to tell me how to drive carefully while it's raining?
Hello, Mr. Abzal, how are you? Thank you so much. Welcome to Octane Motors. Whenever there is a rainy season, you have to be very extra conscious about your driving. Why? Because the roads are become very slippery, and there are high chances of accidents, and the friction between your tires and the road become very less. Therefore, the people got accidents. So therefore, please must inspect your tire conditions. Number 2 is your seat belts. Here you go. Your seat belts are the secondary, you can say, important thing, because if there any head-on collision, your seat belts will protect you to have any head injury or any kind of injuries. Okay. And the third is, whenever you are on the road, keep the distance between two cars around 12 feet, or you can say the 3 to 4 meters at least. Okay, so there should be at least the distance between two vehicles should be about 12 to 14 meters. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is the thing. And yes, about this Islamabad, the weather is very beautiful after a long time, and whenever such kind of weather appears, please come out of your office, come out of your home, and enjoy these weathers with your family, with your loved ones. Okay.
So please keep these beautiful things and precautions in your mind to avoid any unconditional, unexpected accidents and events while driving.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Gohar,
Thank you so much.
for your kind words and beautiful advices.
And still, if you find any difficulty, please visit Octane Motors. Thank you.
Exactly.